Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn about the huge demand business that can start with an investment of 10,000 rupees and earn good income. If you want to know the complete details, don't skip the video. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Going into details, we generally use a broom to clean the house. Brush brooms are mostly used in it. But when these brooms are brought new and used, they shed after a few days. Because of that, it takes a lot of effort to time to clean the dust on the floor. As an alternative to these, no dust plastic brooms are available in the market. When the floor is cleaned with these plastic brooms, there is no dust like flags, similar to regular broom. Durability is high. It can also be easily washed. So those who want to start any business with low investment can start this plastic broom business and earn good income. Now let's know how to do this business. Those who want to start this plastic broom business with low investment, it is better to start in wholesale to retail method because to start a plastic brooms manufacturing industry, an investment of around 15 lakh rupees is required. The wholesale to retail method means buying plastic brooms at a low price in wholesale and selling them in retail. In this method, we can start this business even with an investment of 10,000 rupees. You can get good profits. Currently, if we look at the price of no dust plastic brooms in online grocery stores like supermarkets, Amazon, Flipkart, the price of a plastic broom is between 160 to 190 rupees depending on the company. That's you India Mart. If we look at the price of plastic brooms income, the wholesale price of each plastic broom is 66 rupees. Price also fluctuate depending on the quality. Including all expenses like transport, each broom cost you around 75 rupees. So, if you sell the plastic brooms bought in wholesale at retail for 140 rupees, you will get 65 rupees profit on each broom. 50 into 65 is equal to 3,250 rupees per day. 25 into 3,250 is equal to 81,250 rupees per month for selling minimum 50 plastic brooms per day. Depending on the price you sell, the margin will vary in revenue. Buy plastic brooms for wholesaler according to your investment and sales. When it comes to the marketing of these plastic brooms, you can earn good income only by doing direct sales on your own. These can be sold by promoting them on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp groups. This business can be said to be women friendly because they used to more. They know more about it. Also, the features and uses of plastic brooms can be explained easily, so there are chances of more sales. Also, you can join online stores like Amazon and Flipkart as a seller and sell with your own brand. You can also sell to local street vendors. Retail shops like fancy shops, supermarkets, grocery stores with some margin. Marketing can also be done in places like offices, schools, hotels. Before starting this plastic brooms business, you should study more deeply and start by looking at the market. We have also placed the details of wholesalers of these plastic brooms in this video description. Can observe. That's it friends. Details about plastic brooms business. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this business. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye friends. Until we come back to you with another brand new video.